So, my XRP friends out there, welcome to our new XRP update video. It's Friday, so let's take another look at the chart to see if anything exciting has happened. And you can already see I've marked quite a bit on the chart here because we still haven't broken through our resistance. That means we're still trading at 265. Or should I say again, last week we were briefly up here in the 280 range. Since then it has gone back down, clearly down. But I have to say here, we held the support at the 0.236 level at 2.55 and have now seen a recovery again. Whether that's a bullish sign or not, you'll definitely find out in today's update video. Also what I expect for the next days and weeks. But before we start, feel free to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. And of course, feel free to rejoin the free Telegram talk and signal group. If you're interested in updates, news and signals, feel free to join in. You can find the links for that for free down in the video description. And if you want to buy, trade, or do anything else with XRP, you can do all of that at my partner exchange. Binks. So if you sign up below, there's also a lot going on right now. Bonuses that you can definitely grab. A few events are happening again, and by doing this, you're also supporting the channel. Yes. XRP at 265. It actually doesn't look that modest. You have to honestly say that. So compared to many other altcoins, you have to say whether you like XRP or not. Do not say that the chart looks like shit or not. Stagnant, no, like with many other altcoins. She's just talking about Ethereum, which hasn't done anything for weeks. XRP has reached the resistance area up here at 283, but we had such massive resistance up here. Resistance in the form of the golden pockets, in the form of the 200-day SMA, and in the form of the monthly pivot plus the former support area that has now turned into resistance. You can't do it in one go. Get over it. That means many have gone short up here. That was here. The short setup should still be running for some, but by now profits should have been taken. Since then, we've been more in a downward trend here. If we pull the golden pocket from our high to our low, we can see that we're struggling again at the golden pocket. This means we're still in a downward correction, or rather, we're still trending downwards. That's definitely clear. And as long as we're trending downwards, and as long as we can't get above this price range of 288, it would be best if we open the daily chart here. We would actually need to go a bit higher. But here, we don't have any vector candles anymore. At least the area around 288 would be step one. Step two, we would then need to head towards $3.13 to attack the all-time highs, let's say. Otherwise, we still have a lot of liquidity lying below. It doesn't matter whether we look at the 4-hour chart or the daily chart. The support zones are clear. This is, on one hand, the green box down here, or rather, the red box at the golden pocket from 220 down to 211. That's support number one. Support number two, let's remove the green box because it's actually a bit older. It's the box down here at 1.81 down to 1.64. I'm still not writing them off, it's just that we still have down here, as I said, support, where it might even be unnecessary to take a small swing position here, meaning a 3 times leverage position. To then, let's say, take the movement up here or then down here, only at 180. The thing is, this week Ripple sold a bunch of XRP. Again, or rather kept sending it to Binance and selling it again. You have to see for yourselves when you ask why is a company constantly selling its own tokens even though it's supposedly so important. You know what I'm getting at? Absolute bullshit, or the system just doesn't work. It's just like when I have to print money to keep the economy running, Ponzi schemes or something like that are known in the economy. Yeah. You definitely know what I'm choosing here. That's why it's always good to keep an eye on things a bit. Keep in mind what's going on in the background and stuff like that. Otherwise, as I said, if anyone is still short, you can definitely let it run. Long positions, as I said, only down here in this area. Otherwise, for those who like to take a bit more risk, I would say you could even keep an eye out here. After the area around, let's say, $2. 48, let's move that a bit. So we're removing this green box here. And let's throw in another box here. On one hand, we have this wig here, which still offers a lot of liquidity. Let's take a look at this on the 4-hour time frame. That was exactly the zone we tested here last time. So actually last week here on the 18th February, it has already held. Whether it holds the second time is really questionable. Normally such a box only holds once, especially since we are trending downwards, but it would be a high-risk position, with a stop loss here below 241. Otherwise, feel free to share your opinion down in the comments about what you think of XRP at the moment.